Hey, how's it going? We are at Animal Kingdom. I don't know where we go first. That tree is huge. This true. This mother look like it's out of a movie. It's like what? For the food? Over here? Oh, we gonna find out.
A few moments later.
We got pizza. Pizza. We ain't got on a ride yet, but we decided to eat first. Get on some rides. We seen a couple animals here too. You know? They were fake. No, real.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Wait your turn.
Are you guys with them?
No, ma'am.
Oh.
Hakuna Matata.
All right, it's perfect. Thank you. We going to Africa. Feels great. The kids are happy. Now we finna get on some real nice fun rides. So let's get it.
Through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Now before we head in, is this anybody's first safari? Look at his face, he has a prehensile upper lip, which means his top lip is kind of like a finger. And that helps him grab at things like plants, leaves, and any kind of vegetation that he might want to eat. No, I'm not going to say goodbye. Instead, I'm going to leave you with quaharini, which means to go well. The quaharini.
That was super duper lit. Come on, Barbara. Wanna do it again? We're gonna do it again.
We can do it tonight. She said tonight we can do it.
Yeah, that was super lit. I loved it. Dun dun dun. Yeah! We lit! Yeah! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! That was lit right there. I'm tired. Yeah, you already know what time it is.
That was lit, ball.
Crazy ride right there. Right there. Yeah, you already know lit. So lit, family, you already lit. So.
That mug was fast.
Super fast. Tell them how fast it was.
Real fast. Faster than a car. Dad, I turned my eye for that.
You did?
I did it I did the whole home.
You could? That's crazy. Right now we're in the area of Dino Land, so it's like everything is dinosaurs and stuff. But this is the playground. Check out the playground. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, I'm hearing birds. We finally leaving the Animal Kingdom. It was real lit, real fun. You know, we're about to head back to the resort. So the kids probably swim or something after that. Probably get something to eat because I'm hungry. We hungry. It is what it is. But I'm gonna end this vlog right here. See you guys in the next vlog.